Hello again, my students, and today we're going to create a custom-made pencil brush stroke here. But first, we're going to introduce you some of the first parts here. First, if you use the none, it will create some kind of modification like this. And afterwards, another one, which if we use triangle in, we're going to make a fade like a pencil thinness of the mark. And second is the eclipse. If you use the eclipse, it's like a small, thick brush, pencil stroke. But we're going to give more emphasis on this particular modification set, which is from clipboard. First, what we're going to do is to make a box like this, and then we press Control-Pat and then Control-C. Once we made Control-C, we're going to select this pencil tool, put it on from clipboard, and then voila, we can make thick square strokes for this particular modification here. This is what the things that I like about the Inkscape program. It makes it easy to create modified strokes, and also you can modify the strokes and inversely in some unique way. And there are other ways to create these strokes, but first we have to set aside some of these hair on this side first. But first, here we're going to create another kind of stroke, which is similar to that of a pointy brush stroke. First, we're going to modify it, rotate it, and then we're going to thin it out like a thin, pointed, sharp diamond. And then afterwards, we're going to press Object to Pat, and then Control-C. And then afterward, once we press Control-C, we're going to demonstrate to you how it works. And voila! You can create different kinds of strokes with these kinds of tools. It's kind of amazing that you can create a lot of different kinds of variations and stuff. You can even create a duplicate stroke like this one. Okay, we're just going to duplicate it a little bit more, and then we're going to group it up. I'm going to group this into this, and once we've grouped it, we're going to create a object to pat once more, then press Control-C. Once we've done that, we'll be doing something more of what we did a while ago. And okay, my apologies. Seems to be not working right now, but no worries. It will work. It's a little bit. There seems to be a little bit problem here, but no worries. I'm just going to reset it afterwards. No worries. I'm just going to repeat that again. Object pat. Stroke, and then Control-C. Okay, it's alright, that's embarrassing. Oh, it's actually working. It's only a tiny stroke, which is it's not working very well for now, but no worries. But you can do a lot of applications with this. I'm just going to emphasize more on what you can do with these strokes. You can do applications such as, I'm going to make a literal stroke brush out of these lines that I'm just making right now. And as you can see here, I can create a lot of modifications at will. Okay, I'm just going to create the base of the pencil here. Of the brush. And then we can apply some of the parts here. Okay, I'm just going to adjust that a little bit. And yeah, you can really create some of these parts here. Now, I'm just going to use this to make a modification that makes it seem like it's making a stroke pattern. And once again, since I've made some significant teachings for this lesson, I'll see you in the next lecture. And happy designing, my students.